Hello, my dear student of Standard 9. How are you? Hope you are fine by the grace of Allah. Today, today I am going to explain chapter 8, lecture 2. So, in the previous lecture, I have explained what is democracy, merits and demerits of democracy. Okay, today our lesson is the democracy of Bangladesh. That means the background of establishing democracy in Bangladesh. The parliamentary system of government was adopted in Pakistan after the British rulers had been over in 1947. Bangladesh was a part of Pakistan having the name of East Pakistan. In this period, Governor General and the bureaucrats governed the state in the name parliamentary rules. Either the Prime Minister or Governor General used to form the cabinet with a chosen few without taking any opinion of the National Assembly. In 1958, General Ayub Khan declared the martial law. After 2.5 years of transient democratic system was abolished by formulating the constitution. But a demand to establish parliamentary democracy had been raised and the first National Assembly election was held in Pakistan. And in that election, the Awami League got the majority in the election under the leadership of Bangabandhu Sheikh Mujibur Rahman. But the Janta of Pakistan did not hand over the power to Bangabandhu. Rather, they swept over the unarmed Bengalis. After that, Bangabandhu Sheikh Mujibur Rahman proclaimed the independence of Bangladesh on 26 March 1971. And ultimately, Bangladesh got her independence through a bloody war of 9 months in 1971. Since the post-independence till today, three political parties came to power: the Awami League, the BNP, and the Jatiyo Party. After the liberation, the Bangladesh Awami League, first from the government under the leadership of Bangabandhu Sheikh Mujibur Rahman. The Awami League government initiated different steps to establish the democracy by introducing the parliamentary form of government, a democratic and progressive constitution within 10 months after liberation, that means in 1972. And in 1973, on 7th March, the general election held in Bangladesh for the first time in the country as per the newly drafted constitutions. On 15 August 1975, Bangabandhu Sheikh Mujibur Rahman and almost all of his family members embraced martyrdom at the hands of a group of aberrant army personnel backed by a local and foreign notorious circle. In the same year, the four national leaders have been killed in the Dhaka jail. Thus, Bangladesh confronted a turning reversely which continued until the mass revolt of 1990. The country was under the martial law for 15 years after the post 75 political turmoil when the people's voting right was snatched away. In 1990, students led mass movement and caretaker government was established under the leadership of the Justice Shahabuddin Ahmed and holding the National Parliament election on 27 February 1991. A mentionable chapter was introduced, that means democracy was established in Bangladesh through political revolution and retrieval. In 1991, BNP won the election and formed the government. On 6th August 1991, the cabinet governance system was reintroduced in the parliament by the constitution according to 12th amendment. But such mutual understanding between the ruling party and the opposition could not last long, and as a result, two by-elections were held in 1993 at Dhaka, Mirpur constituency, and in 1994 at Magura. But it created a suspicion among the parties in opposition at the national level that no election would be fair and free under the government of the ruling party. However, different political parties, including the Awami League, initiated a demand of holding the subsequent general election under a neutral caretaker government. And at a stage, 147 member of the parliament, that means MPs of the opposition, resigned from the parliament. And lastly, the Awami League, the Jatiyo Party, and the Jamaat Islam began movement demanding the formation of a non-party caretaker government. And on 15 February 1996, the BNP darkly held the general election in Bangladesh. The Awami League and other political parties boycotted the election, and the election lost its legitimacy and importance due to boycott by opposition parties. This parliament lasted only 4 days. And lastly, 7th parliament election was held on 12 June 1996 under the caretaker government. The Awami League won the majority support and formed the government. And in this period of government, the Awami League government initiated different policies to strengthen the democracy in the state. Among these, forming different parliamentary committees, introducing Prime Minister question answer session, signing the Chittagong Hill Track Peace Treaty, and introducing the system for women to be elected in Union Council and other local government elections. On 1st October 2001, the 8th parliament election was held. The four parties alliance led by the BNP Jamaat formed the government. This government extended the age limit of the retirement of the justice in service for 2 years from 65 to 67 years. And a most critical political situation was created in this period of government. In 2007, an indirect army interference by the chief of the Army General Moin Ahmed took place in politics. The then army backed government of the chief advisor Dr. Fakhruddin Ahmed was in power for 2 years. After 2 years, this caretaker government was compelled to declare time and schedule for the general election. And lastly, the election of 9th Parliament was held on 29 December 2008, and the Greater Alliance led by the Awami League from the government. The 10th National Parliamentary election was held on 5th January 2014. In this election, Awami League also won the election. And lastly, and the last general election was held, that means the 11th general election was held in Bangladesh on 30 December 2018. The result was landslide victory for the Awami League. So, till this period, Awami League governs our country. I have given the some word meaning here. You will read out, okay? And I have given the four national leaders of Bangladesh. That means former Vice Principal President Soyed Nazrul Islam, former Prime Minister of Bangladesh Tajuddin Ahmed, Captain Mansur Ali, and former Home Minister A.H.M. Kamaruzzaman. Here is also some word meaning. You will read that so that you can understand the lesson properly. So this part you will read only for MCQ. Understand? So up to this everyone, stay at your home safely. Goodbye.